I rode over as fast as Nightwind could carry me when I heard the living totem has returned. Never thought I'd see the day after watching him fall into the bottomless canyon. So far, I ain't seen hide no hair of him, but I reckon he'll be on his way to finish what he started all them years ago and destroy the town. We can't give him the chance. We gotta stop him. I owe you, stranger. Come on, let's get to searching. Now remember, be on your guard. This ain't your run-of-the-mill totem we're dealing with. It's a living totem. Them fellas over yonder look mighty suspicious. What are they up to? That's the totem! I'd recognize that half-buried mug anywhere.
Hey! This is our giant head! Anyone other than the Kree who tries to approach it will answer to us.
Y'all best step aside. That thing is more trouble than you can imagine.
Don't say I didn't warn you. I've been itching for a good fight.
Come on, compadre. Let's take these warmongers down a peg.
Ha! Turns out camping out by the head and picking fights with outsiders that came near was a good idea. Guess I owe Kravlar that sandwich.
These fellas seem prepared to go all out for the totem. He must have used some kind of mind control power.
I did not anticipate that.
How do I get myself in these crazy situations?
I came as soon as I heard. Fighting at the old head? I'm in!
We gotta keep whittling down the totem's army. Figure that's the last of them. Now we can finally take care of the totem himself. Hold up. This is just the head of them floating Kree statues, ain't it? Well, this is embarrassing. But if the totem ain't here, well, where is he? Huh. I appreciate your help, but it looks like I got a little too hot-headed for my own good today. I'm gonna take a step back and try to figure this out. Maybe that Red Wolf fella could help me. He's always been pretty good at tracking folk down.
Taking this may play to our advantage.
I wonder what that battle in front of the palace is all about. It's a good thing nobody told my husband about it. He'd have been there in a flash.
Maybe I could hold my breath just long enough to dig him out. Nope, too risky. Them flying space cart parts in the river could be worth a pretty penny to the right folks. Perhaps for a small cut, I could get some honest Joe or Jolene to help me out. Don't know how y'all holding your breath so long, but I'm mighty impressed.
to stand in my way today.
Y'all hear me down there? That was some darn good digging. Put the treasure on that there wood below the winch.
I have a feeling I'm in for some strange tales today.
This might be a bad time to say, but I broke the winch earlier. Y'all need to find some other way to get that treasure out that river. See anything useful down there?
I must protect my people in this strange new world.
What am I in for today?
Watch it! Whoa! How'd y'all do that? That's what all them folks in that fancy floating city are doing these days?
What am I in for today?
Y'all nearly did me in. But that was mighty kind of you to help a stranger off safe. How about you take that golden nugget over there and return? Least I can do.
Red Wolf has been expecting you, Pilgrim. You are a friend of the Rawhide Kid, are you not? Red Wolf knows why you are here. The location of the living totem eludes you and the kid, but I sense his presence somewhere in this town, and I know what you must do to learn of his dwelling place. You must listen to the whispers of the wind, the rumors from the rivers, the murmurings of the mountain. Oh, and the people probably know a few things too. Ask around, and we will surely learn where the totem makes his lair. Then it is settled. Speak with the townsfolk and take heed their words, for in them will lie the path to the totem.
I reckon there's something in the water lately, as I could have sworn I saw this big pole with a face on it walking around the other day. And it gets stranger. Soon as he noticed I'd seen him, he put on this big old coat and scurried off. I wonder where he went to.
Have you learned anything of the totem?
There's a real weirdo walking around town lately, supposedly looking for some sort of evil fishing pole. Heard he got into some business with them Cree fellas down by the border over a giant head. I mean, I ain't gotta tell you that that ain't regular.
The bad guys sure are keeping us busy. Been hearing some unusual noises at night since all these new places sprouted up. I'll be trying to sleep, and suddenly I'll hear a little voice telling me to fight something called a hexagon. Oof.
Do you wanna think about
Sure is dusty out. Where in tarnation they go?
I don't know what people were expecting.
There's a real peculiar type spending most his days at the saloon of late. Tall fella, wears a big coat all the time. Reckon there's only one reason person wear a coat that big. Something to hide. Or 'cause he's cold. So, two reasons, I guess.
Saw someone real strange coming out the sheriff's office the other day. Big face, little arms, little legs, floating chair. Said he was the sheriff now. I tell you, it takes all kinds.
Where in tarnation they...
So far, I've learned nothing from the wind or the mountain. The river said it would call me. So, what knowledge did you bring? That does sound unusual, but it does not shed any light on the totem or his whereabouts. The saloon. If we knew who occupied the large coat, this information could be useful. That indeed sounds like the totem. We need only to learn of where he goes. It would appear we have learned enough. The totem has been donning a disguise and spending an inordinate amount of time in the local saloon. But to what end? Of course, the answer to this question would most easily be discovered at the saloon itself. I shall reconvene with Rawhide Kid, and the two of us will pursue the totem. But of course, I must first thank you for all your help.
interesting specimen? Shame, I've probably got about 1 million of these at home.
This is your glorious leader, Kang the Conqueror.
Something tells me that story doesn't end here. Let's wrap this saga up in a Gwenpool mission.
You have done much for Rawhide and myself. As soon as he returns, the two of us will go after the totem.
I've noticed some criminal activity not far from where you are. You know what to do.
Please, no epic battles today.
Got what it takes to beat Hexagon Blitz? Let's find out. Think you can keep up with these Hexagons? Copy the sequence 3 times to win.
I do so enjoy sitting next to the central fountain. It emits a sense of mystery, like there's some sort of...
Repeat the sequence 3 times to win a prize. These hexagons are no match for you. Next one.
Congratulations dialog 05 not found. Please report to game team.
That carnivorous plant near the Novacore building seems a little dangerous. I hope some brave gardener takes care of it before it eats somebody.
Hey! Sorry.
This one seems a little dry, guys. Can we, Huh? What do you mean, first take, final take? Until next time.
How long does it take to beat one guy?
I'd say Xandar's actually looking pretty good. Considering the place was shot to bits, stomped all over by a celestial, then ripped up and dropped into some kind of crazy limbo world.
Reporting for duty.
I don't want to go to work today.
Come back anytime for a new Hexagon challenge.
Straight up doesn't exist anymore. Thanks a lot, Kang. That carnivorous plant near the Novacore building seems a little dangerous. I hope some brave gardener takes care of it before it eats somebody.
Come back soon.
Has, anyone seen
Until next time.
Not sure who's behind it this time, but there's more trouble on your doorstep. Go get him.
Huh. Not exactly my kind of thing. Anyone else want to give it a shot?
Come on, Hexagon.